Struggling with dry air that irritates your skin and sinuses? The right small humidifier can transform your environment, providing much-needed moisture to combat dryness and improve overall air quality. Imagine waking up refreshed, breathing easier, and enjoying smoother skin, all thanks to a compact, efficient device. Get ready to revolutionize your indoor comfort with our carefully selected top 8 small humidifiers. Now, without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 8. Crane 0.2 gallon Personal Ultrasonic Cool Mist Tabletop Humidifier. Perfect for small spaces and personal use, this compact device fits easily on a nightstand, desk, or any small area needing a humidity boost. With an 8-hour runtime, it's ideal for rooms up to 160 square feet. The 360-degree mist nozzle directs the mist exactly where you need it, making it versatile for different room setups. Whisper quiet operation ensures it won't disturb sleep or work, making it a great choice for bedrooms and offices. The antimicrobial material reduces mold and bacterial growth by up to 99.96%, promoting a healthier environment. Despite its small tank capacity requiring frequent refilling, users appreciate its efficiency and ease of use. Ideal for light sleepers and those needing localized humidity, it's a reliable personal humidifier. Number 7. Pure Enrichment Hume Max Top Fill Humidifier. This model stands out for its user-friendly design and powerful mist output. The true top fill design allows for hassle-free refilling, making it a favorite for busy households. Suitable for rooms up to 300 square feet, it offers 3 mist settings for customizable comfort. The auto-off timer is a convenient feature, letting you set it for 2, 4, or 6 hours to save energy. Its sleek design and quiet operation make it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or offices, and the built-in nightlight adds a calming ambiance, especially useful in children's rooms. Backed by a 5-year warranty, it ensures long-term reliability. Users love its easy maintenance and effective performance, although some wish for a larger tank. Number 6. Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier. Designed for those who prefer evaporative technology, this humidifier's 1-gallon tank offers up to 24 hours of continuous moisture, perfect for medium-sized rooms. The integrated filter removes impurities, ensuring a clean mist. Its quiet operation suits bedrooms and nurseries, and its adjustable humidity control lets you customize moisture levels. The transparent tank simplifies monitoring water levels, and dishwasher-safe parts ease cleaning. While it lacks advanced features, its straightforward design and reliable performance make it a solid choice for maintaining comfortable humidity levels. Users appreciate its consistent output and ease of use, although regular filter replacements are necessary. Number 5. Levoit Dual 150 Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Functioning as both a humidifier and essential oil diffuser, this model's 3-liter tank provides up to 25 hours of continuous mist, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Whisper quiet operation ensures undisturbed sleep or work, and the top fill design simplifies refilling and cleaning, while the 360-degree nozzle directs mist efficiently. The included essential oil tray enhances relaxation with your favorite scents. Users love its sleek design and intuitive controls, although some find the tank size slightly limiting for continuous use. It's praised for its dual functionality and ease of maintenance, making it a versatile addition to any home. Number 4. AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. Providing continuous cool mist for up to 24 hours, this humidifier is perfect for spaces up to 400 square feet. The 2.2-liter tank ensures long-lasting operation with a 360-degree nozzle to direct mist where needed. The auto shutoff feature offers peace of mind, turning off the unit when the water runs out. Noted for its quiet operation, it's ideal for bedrooms and nurseries. The top fill design simplifies refilling and cleaning, making it user-friendly. Users appreciate its effective moisture output and low maintenance, though some mention the need for frequent refills for continuous use. Number 3. Pure Enrichment Pure Baby Cloud Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Perfect for nurseries and children's rooms. This adorable cloud-shaped humidifier combines functionality with a playful design. Its 1.8-liter tank provides up to 24 hours of continuous mist, making it ideal for overnight use. The 360-degree rotating mist nozzle ensures even moisture distribution, while the built-in nightlight offers 7 soothing colors to create a calming environment for your little one. The mist and nightlight can be used independently, allowing for customization based on your child's needs. Although the tank can be challenging to monitor, its compact size and ease of cleaning make it a favorite among parents. Number 2, Vitruvi Cloud Humidifier. This stylish humidifier combines form and function, blending seamlessly into any decor. Its 1.5-liter tank provides up to 24 hours of continuous mist, with touch-sensitive controls offering 5 mist levels and a timer. The 360-degree rotating mist spout ensures even moisture distribution. Dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleaning, and a water filter removes tap water minerals, ensuring a clean mist. Though pricier, its performance and design justify the cost. Users appreciate its effectiveness and aesthetic appeal, making it a premium choice for modern homes. Number 1. Dyson Purifier Humidify+Cool. Topping our list is this multifunctional device purifying, humidifying, and cooling the air. Its advanced technology detects and destroys formaldehyde, ensuring clean air. The 1-gallon tank offers up to 36 hours of operation with remote control for easy mode switching. App connectivity adds convenience, allowing remote monitoring and control. Despite its size, it's surprisingly quiet, suitable for any room. Automatic outdoor temperature monitoring helps maintain optimal indoor humidity. Users praise its comprehensive features and premium performance, making it the best choice for those investing in top-tier humidification and air purification. Honorable mentions. Bonus number 1. Geniani Erie Portable Small Cool Mist Humidifier. Ideal for compact spaces, this lightweight travel-friendly humidifier is USB compatible, perfect for use in the car, office, or on the go. Despite its small size, it effectively increases humidity within a 2-foot range, making it a great personal humidifier. The one-button control simplifies operation, and the quiet device won't be a distraction. While it lacks advanced features, its portability and ease of use make it a valuable addition to your travel essentials. Users appreciate its effectiveness and convenience, though some wish for a larger tank. Bonus number 2. Hey Dewy Wireless Facial Humidifier. Designed for facial hydration, this portable wireless humidifier ensures your skin stays hydrated on the go. The single-button operation toggles between intermittent and continuous mist modes, providing flexibility based on your needs. Its stylish design makes it more than just a functional device. It's a trendy accessory. Although the nozzle occasionally clogs, users find it effective for maintaining skin hydration and comfort throughout the day, making it a great addition to any skincare routine. Bonus number 3. Levoit Classic 300S Ultrasonic Smart Humidifier. This smart humidifier combines advanced technology with effective humidification. Its 6-liter tank ensures up to 60 hours of continuous mist, suitable for large rooms. Smart capabilities allow control via app or voice commands, adding convenience to its powerful performance. Quiet operation and sleep mode make it ideal for bedrooms, while the top-fill design ensures easy refilling and cleaning. Despite occasional connectivity issues, users praise its performance and features, making it a top contender in the smart humidifier category. There you have it. Each of these small humidifiers offers unique features and benefits, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every need and preference. Explore these top picks and transform your living space into a more comfortable and healthier environment. I'll be back soon with more of the top products to help enhance your lifestyle. Happy humidifying!